Hello traders, welcome to Trading with KS. I'm your host today, KS. So, it's time to make money, right? The market has been stabilized after the US election, and the market is generally more positive, with the announcement of the vaccine, and the UK is starting to test the vaccine for public use next week. So there's a lot of positive sentiment, in Europe, and US generally doesn't fare so well last week of trading. So before we start on the chart, so let's look into what happened to the news. What happened to the sentiment the last week of trading. So let's go into the news calendar. And let's check a bit about the history, what happened last week. Okay, first one, we need to check on the Sunday. There was a previous Sunday there was a OPEC meeting, and OPEC meeting actually does not have a very firm output, have a very firm agreement. So the headline was OPEC has yet to find a compromise on the oil policy, but generally the oil has been the price of the oil, right, has been going up. So there's quite good for the oil producer country. So generally you can see a very good gain on the CAD. So then Monday we got a China PMI. China PMI actually improved 52.1. This one actually signify increasing a better China economy, a good China economy. Give a good output, good sentiment to AUD and New Zealand dollar. Because these two countries actually export a lot of material to China. So this is a good sentiment for AUD and NZD. And then we come Monday, we come to the evening, you got the Chicago PMI, which is worse than expected. And home sales also worse than expected. So this one actually did had a very big impact on the USD. So generally you can see the USD starting to slump early of last week of trading. So they got then Tuesday got the AUD. So this time they keep the cash rate, which is good. And also the Britain PMI, manufacturing PMI actually improved, good for British pound. CAD, the GDP actually shrink. GDP actually below expectation. But with the strong price of oil, right? So CAD actually didn't depreciate a lot. So then we got the Powell, the Fed Chair Powell speaking. Then we got the ISM manufacturing PMI also worse than expected. Generally US economy has been impacted by the pandemic, and also the winter time. So Wednesday we got President Lagarde speak. We got Euro President Lagarde speak. You got Aussie, RBA, Bank of England, Bank of Australia. Government law spoke about the economy, and we got the Australia GDP. Australia GDP actually improved by quite a lot. They expected 2.5, but actually the result come up 3.3, which is positive for Aussie dollar. And on Wednesday also, you see US has been hampered by so many negative sentiment. Negative result. The non-farm employment change also. The job available also decreased. They expect a better number, but actually came out a worse number, and much worse than expected. This is very big impact on the US economy. And Fed Chair Powell and OPEC. Then we got unemployment claim. Unemployment claim has been dropping, okay, slightly a bit, but this one 712 is okay, okay, given the they are starting to open the economy back. But due to all this reading, all this bad sentiment for US dollar, this one won't do a lot of good for the unemployment claim. Okay, won't do a lot of good for the sentiment. Okay, you see, and the services PMI, the services index also, okay, as par with expected. So on Friday, we got okay, the MPC member speaks for German, for Great Britain, for the pound. Then we got CAD got two, here got two news. One is the employment change, okay, improved by a lot, and unemployment rate also dropped. Okay, so this is very strong sentiment for the CAD. Okay, and then Friday we go to the USD. Hourly earning improve. Okay, the non-farm employment change, okay, expected drop. Unemployment rate slightly improve. Okay, so all these, okay, all these negative PMI, okay, negative PMI, negative employment, okay, negative services PMI, all these actually cause the US dollar to plummet. Okay, so let's check about what's coming next week. Okay, there's very little to say about next week. Monday we got AUD government law speaks. Okay, then we got Monday we got Canada PMI, okay, manufacturing PMI. So we got Tuesday is bank holiday and no big news here. Wednesday, we come to Wednesday, we got the cash rate, interest rate for Canada. Okay, so they expect to remain the interest rate, which is good. Okay, so on Thursday there will be refinance rate for the euro. Okay, the refinance rate which remain at 0. So if no changes to all this rate, right, means the currency is doing okay. Okay, there's no big impact. And in the evening 9:30 we got a ECB press conference. I think this most likely will touch about the Brexit. Okay, we have to see whether there is any negative sentiment on the Brexit. And evening Thursday you got USD. Okay, all USD on Thursday and Friday. USD, you got this CPI number which they expect slightly be better. Okay, and core CPI monthly. Okay, they expect to be a better number, a positive number. Unemployment claim they expect to be still to be a little better. Okay, and Friday, okay, they expect also expect the core PPI and the PPI number to be better. Okay, this is a consumer price index. This is the the finished good price. Okay, price of finished good. Okay, so this if the price goes up, means the demand actually goes up. Okay, means a better economy. Okay, so nothing actually, not any big impact on the next week calendar. Okay, only you have to mainly need to focus is the mainly here you have to focus is the interest rate. Okay, and this one, if you do some good on the USD, if all this become has a good positive reading, okay, if all this comes up with a positive reading, then there will be a good impact on the USD. But this is not marked in red color. Okay, this is important but not the most important news. Okay, most high impact news for the USD. Okay, let's go into the chart. Okay, last week we talked about here, right? Here, okay, the support resistance area. We talked about this break. Okay, the price came up here, went down. Okay, a very good test of the support. This is what we want to see in the healthy market. Okay, in the healthy uptrend, the price, okay, healthy uptrend, the price will respect the support resistance line. Okay, in the unhealthy sideways market, the price will never support the we never respect the support and resistance line, so it's zigzag on the medium. Okay, zigzag on the support resistance line. Okay, this one means a sideways market, which is quite difficult to trade. Okay, so if the price came here and is able to break this support resistance, this resistance line, right, we expect it to come out, retest, and goes up. Okay, so this is actually what happened. The price actually came down and okay, it broke. Okay, this red candle came down and retest, and it went up. Okay, so this is the opportunity to buy. So our target area basically is here, the R2, another resistance area at 1.2160. Okay, so now you see what happened. Okay, so now you see the market is quite easy to trade. Okay, compared to here and here. Okay, which is very difficult. So what we expect, so now you see the price has reached the resistance and is consolidating. Okay, means this is a area that you need to break. Okay, a resistance area. So what you want to see, if as we said, this is an uptrend, right? Okay, we will buy all the weakness. Okay, the weakness means and any retracement, we'll look forward to buy the retracement. So if the price actually consolidate and broke below the consolidation, right, this consolidation, right, okay, we are not going to sell on this bullish market. Okay, we are not going to sell. If it breaks down, you wait for the price come to here, either here. Okay, this is a support area. Okay, it's the previous high, one of the previous high, and this is support area. Okay, you wait for a bounce for you to buy here, or if it breaks here, come down here, wait for a bounce for you to buy. Okay, so these are the two areas to buy. Okay, if it breaks down here, then this could indicate a sideways market or a possible downtrend. Okay, as long as the price now, the most important place, okay, the most important place is here. As long as the price actually stay above this trend line, right, 1.1933, we are going to buy. Okay, any weakness of the price, okay, buy. Okay, so now if the price can stay above this area, okay, it actually broke above this area. Okay, wait for a candle come back to test the support resistance, bounce up, then you buy. Okay, so we are keep on going to buy this uptrend market, this bullish market. Okay, let's go to the pound. Okay, before we talk any further, a bit of disclaimer. I'm not a professional consultant. I'm not a professional advisor. I'm just a normal retail trader. I share my video. It's purely for education purpose. This is not a signal or a call for you to buy and sell Forex. If you want to trade Forex, please seek your broker, seek your professional advice from your professional consultant and professional advisor. Okay, I will not be liable for any loss, any damage done by this video. And please trade with the money you can afford to lose. Okay. Okay, pound USD. Okay, pound USD is a bit slow. Okay, now pound and USD is testing this top. Okay, multi top. Okay, there's a tested here, here, and here. Now it could not break. You see the price actually came down here. Okay, so this is a bit more risky to trade. Okay, not as straightforward as the USD. Okay, now what we want to see, okay, this very important support resistance area. Okay, the price is consolidating here, means it cannot break. Okay, it's 50-50 around here. What we want to see, if the price, okay, now it's hanging here, if the price did break down from this, okay, consolidation area, if it breaks down, okay, you wait for a price to come down to S1 1.32 area, 1.321 area here. Okay, wait for a bounce, or this area 1.30528, this area, wait for a bounce for you to buy. Okay, for you, these two area for you to buy. If it breaks down, okay, this important support resistance area, so this can indicate a sideways or a downtrend. As long as the price remain here, above here, okay, you buy the weakness. After the price came down, bounce up, you buy, bounce up, you buy. If the price, by luck, okay, by any chance, next week it came up here, okay, it came up here and retest, okay, a candle actually came down, okay, the price it came down, after it break up, it came down and test this area and go back up. So this is your opportunity to buy. But beware of the Brexit. Okay, next week there will be a Euro governor will be speaking. So if they touch about Brexit and a lot of negative sentiment came out on the comment on Brexit, so this will be very volatile, okay, and it could be irrational. Okay, so be very careful when you're trading pound USD, okay, especially you are trading the pound. Okay, USDJPY. USDJPY, this is a long-term support. As long as the price don't break up here, okay, this is a downtrend. Okay, so this is the most important part, most important support resistance line. As long as the price is kept but below here, we keep selling it. Okay, come down here, we sell. Okay, come down here, we sell. Okay, price come down here. Okay, oh sorry, not here. Okay, price come down here, we sell. Okay, so always this line is very important. Okay, as long as the price is below, we are keep on selling the price. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, I talked about this area, right? This area last week. Okay, if the price breaks down, you sell, but the price go back up, you close the trade. Okay, because maybe the sentiment has changed. Okay, so the price actually went back up. Okay, if you have closed the trade to be safe, it's okay. Okay, you don't lose anything. So what happened here? The price came back to the same area, right? To the same consolidation area. This time it broke down again. Okay, it broke down, but then it goes back up and to this support resistance area. Okay, you see clearly, right? Let me draw it properly for you. Okay, now the price came back, retest. Okay, this is a retest, came down and retest. Okay, so if the price actually bounce from this retest, okay, so there is a good possibility the price can reach S1, which is 103 area. Okay, 103 area. If the price actually came and break back below, okay, so this would be a indication to close the trade. If your trade if you already opened the trade, okay, or pull it to break even, okay, means the support, the resistance line has been broken and possible the price will go up. Okay, so you have to watch this closely for next week trading. Okay, see this one where it bounced. Okay, where this price bounce, whether it bounced down from the trend line or it bounced up. If it bounced up, close the trade. If it's bounce down, okay, sell. Okay, okay, AUDUSD actually slowly but steadily reach the target. Okay, reach the target area. Okay, the most important support resistance area is here now. Used to be here, but now as the price broke up, So as long as the price stay above this support resistance area, we keep on buy. Okay, we keep on buy the currency. Okay, let's see where are the support resistance. Okay, so one is here and one is here. Okay, so the price is actually consolidating here. Okay, consolidation. You can see this is a consolidation, right? It stopped, the price stopped over here. Okay, so what you're going to do, because this is a support resistance area, right? Support resistance area is an area, it's not a fixed line. It's not a fixed line. Okay, the price might go 5% above, 5% below. Okay, they never stop exactly. Okay, if it stop exactly, right, everyone will be a millionaire already. Okay, so now you have to see whether which part is break. Okay, the price breakdown means you don't sell, right? Because this is a uptrend, right? We only trade together with the trend. Okay, the trend is your friend. Okay, so what happened? You wait for a. Okay, now there is a small, I think there is a small support resistance area here. Okay, so you wait for the price possibly bounce from here or possibly bounce from here. Okay, so this area and this area, okay, to buy. Okay, if you buy this area, make sure if the price bounce up from this area, if you buy on this area, make sure the stop loss is below the trend line. Okay, below the trend line. Okay, similar to just now, USDJPY. Okay, I forgot to touch on the cut loss, stop loss. Okay, if you sell here, the stop loss is okay above the trend line. Okay, similar to EURUSD. Okay, so if you buy here, okay, the stop loss will be here. Excuse me. Okay, the stop loss will be below the consolidation. If a trend line, the stop loss will be below the trend line. If a consolidation, the stop loss will be below or above the consolidation. Okay, so buy, break up, retest, buy. Okay, so this is the outlook for the AUD USD. Okay, New Zealand dollar has been going on like a rocket. Okay, from here there's no retracement, fly straight away to this area, to the 0.4073 area. Okay, so now price has consolidated over this area. Okay, this area is a resistance area. I have already done a resistance line here. So this one you have to wait whether the price can break down or break up. Okay, if the price break up, possibility to buy. If the price come down to test the resistance area, to test the consolidation area, and the price bounce up. Okay, if the price came down and went back into this area, means the price could be sideways, okay, or it's a forced break. Okay, as I explained many times, the forced break is the price will break out from consolidation, and then the next day or the day after it went back inside the consolidation, then this could be a forced break. If it's a forced break, most likely the price will break out from the other side of the initial first break. Okay. Okay, so this one, if it breaks down, what we want to do, this is a support area. We want the price to come down here, bounce, okay, for you to buy or the price come down to here, bounce, for you to buy. Okay, these are the area, the stop loss below, Okay, so these are the two areas for you to buy. Okay, we don't sell because this is uptrend. A strong uptrend, you don't sell. Okay. So we also have a very strong CAD. Okay, this is the downtrend, right? They're talking about. So this is the support, important support resistance line. Okay, that the price bounce many times and give you very good sell opportunity. Now the line has came up to down to here. So this is a very important support resistance line. Okay, so now the price has reached the S2 area. Okay, what we said last week was the price was testing here. Okay, last week we were testing here, right? So what we analyzed is if the price actually came down and bounced from this area, opportunity to sell, the target is S2. Okay, so the price actually went and tested the S2 and broke the S2. Okay, this area. So I hope you guys actually get some manage to catch the profit. Okay, on this trade. So what happened now? Okay, so the price actually break here. Okay, let's condense it a bit. Okay, what we want to see, a test here, sell, okay, to target 1.261. If the price actually break down below this support area, we want to sell, okay, at the 1.3. Okay, so these are the area for you to sell if the price bounce down from these two area. Okay, possible also this area. Okay, the price came and bounced down from this area, you would want to sell. As long as the price is, if it's under here, we will sell, and if the price is still under here, we will still sell it. Okay, because this is the most important support resistance line in the for the chart. So we go to gold. Okay, gold, we talk about this area, right? 1859 area. If the price actually break down, we say that the price will most likely test this S1 area, 1796, and this area. Okay, 1746. Okay, so the price actually broke this area but didn't actually reach the 1746, very near but didn't reach, so it actually bounced up. Okay, because even though this is a long-term uptrend, right, because this is very strong retracement, okay, as I said, I won't buy until it break this area. Okay, this area 1859 area. If the price came out and break this area, retest, maybe I will buy. So this one I will not buy. Okay, because this is still a very strong downtrend. If you put a trend line, right, a downtrend trend line to check how strong is a downtrend. You see, this is the first trend line. Okay, and the price actually move away from the first trend line, and this is the second trend line. Right, the price actually the downtrend slope actually increase the slope, right? Means the falling at the fall of the price actually is getting more and more. Okay, you don't trade, you don't buy this type of sentiment when you see the trajectory, right, of the of the downtrend line, right? Downtrend line, right, is actually getting the slope, right, is actually getting lower and lower. Okay, lower and lower. Okay, you see the slope. Okay, the slope supposed to be this. Okay, this was the slope, but then the slope actually become like this. Okay, so the slope has become more vertical. Okay, more vertical it goes. So the more vertical it goes means the price is falling fast. When the price fall fast, right, don't expect it to bounce up so fast, so easily. Okay, and this is another support resistance area that it need to break. Okay, and you see support become resistant. Okay, this is supposed to be support for so many touch, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, cannot break. The fourth time it broke. So this will become a very strong resistant area after it broke. So the price is testing here. So likely it will come down. Okay, but we will not sell also because this is a uptrend. Okay, so this is in a limbo. Okay, no man's land. So be careful. If you want to sell, you can sell. If you are a short-term trader, you can sell. Your target will be here. Okay, if you want to sell after a bounce from this area, the target will be here. Okay, but for me, I will not be selling. I will not do anything. I will not trade against the trend. First, second, if I want to trade, I need to see a bullish movement such as this. only I will continue to trade this pair, okay, XAU USD or gold. Okay, so okay, that's it for this week. We make it a little short, okay, so you guys don't need to be listening, don't need to be on the computer for so long. Always remember, like my video. If you like my video, actually YouTube will algorithm, right, will actually think that, okay, this video is a good quality video, and if you actually do more promotion, it will help me to promote on the YouTube. Okay, if there's not many like, okay, then this channel will grow slower. Okay, and I hope that this channel can go faster, because I want everyone, I want to share this to more people, so they can actually help them to do their study on Forex. Okay, now is a good time. You can see the movement of the prices. Okay, it's more consistent now. This is a good time, okay, to trade. Okay, I hope everyone will get this video. More people will get this video. And during this pandemic, okay, I hope you guys, okay, can help you to do more study, okay, and make more money during this tough time. Okay, so remember also to share this with your friend and subscribe. Hit the bell. Okay, hit the bell. If you don't hit the bell, you might not get the notification when I upload a new video. So do hit the bell, and okay, stay safe, stay away from COVID, wear your protection. Bye bye.